The type of scenario that frustrates me the most is when I come across somebody that has the capacity, has the money, but just can't stomach even a little bit of risk. And that actually really frustrates me. Not because I don't want to do anything, because I see so many opportunities, so much potential go to waste. Imagine if you had a family member and you knew they could achieve so much in their lives. You knew they had the capability in them and they had the opportunity, they had the offer, whatever it might be, it came knocking on their door. But because they were fearful, because they were too risk adverse, they never took the opportunity. And you knew for a fact that if they just took that step, they'd achieve amazing things. I see that time and time again, and it just saddens me that the amount of people out there that just keep so much money in the bank, so much money tied up in their family home, and not willing to just put it and invest even just a little bit of it, even have the chance to become financially free one day. That is a shame. On the flip side of that, I also come across people that don't have a lot of money, but they're so willing to do something. And as soon as they have a little bit of money, they put it into an investment, they buy property with it. And over time, those people achieve so much more than the people that are the other side of the coin. I just wish those people we could just reach them, and that's what we're here to do. We try to reach those people, but I just wish we could reach more of them and get through to more of them. That will make my day.